Class 8, Lesson 15, Science, Second Part, Lightning Safety. During lightning and thunderstorm, no open place is safe. Hearing thunder is an alert to rush to a safer place. After yelling the last thunder, wait for some time before coming out of the safe place. Finding a safe place, a house or a building is a safe place. If you are traveling by car or by bus, you are safe inside with window and doors of the vehicle shut. Outside, open vehicle like motorbike, tractor, construction machinery, open car are not safe. Open fields, tall tree, shelter in park, elevated place do not protect us from lightning. Stop carrying an umbrella is not at all a good idea during thunderstorm. If in a forest, take shelter under shelter tree. If no shelter is available and you are in an open field, stay far away from all trees. Stay away from poles or other metal object. Do not lie on the ground. Instead, squat low on the ground. Place your hands on your knee with your head between the hands. This position will make you be smallest target to be struck. Inside the house, lightning can strike telephone cords, electrical wires, and metal pipes. Lightning is an electrical during a thunderstorm. Contact with these should be avoided. It is safer to use mobile phone and cordless phone. However, it is not wise to call up a person who is receiving your phone through a wired phone. Bathing should be avoided during thunderstorm to avoid contact with running water. Electrical appliances like computer, TV should be unplugged. Electrical lights can remain on, they do not cause any harm. Lightning conductor is a device used to protect building from the effect of lightning. A metallic rod taller than the building is installed in the walls of the building. During its construction, one end of the rod is kept out in the air, the other is buried deep in the ground. The rod provides easy route for the transfer of electric charge to the ground. The metal column used during construction, electrical wire and water pipes in the building also protect us an extent, but do not touch them during a thunderstorm. Earthquake. You must learn about thunderstorm and lightning in class 7th. You learn about cyclone. These natural phenomena can cause large scale destruction of human life and property. Fortunately, these phenomena can be predicted to some extent. The weather department can warn about the thunderstorm developed in some area. If a thunderstorm occurs, there is always possibility of lightning and cyclone accompanying, so we get time to take measures to protect ourselves from the damage caused by these phenomena. There is, however, a natural phenomenon which we are not yet able to predict accurately. It is an earthquake. It can cause damage to human life and property on a high scale. A major earthquake occurred in India in 8 October 2005 in Uri and Tangdhar town of North Kashmir. Before that, a major earthquake occurred on 26 January 2001 in Bhuj district of Gujarat. What is an earthquake? What happens when it occurs? What can we do to minimize its effect? These are some of the questions which we shall discuss below. What is earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling on the earth which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by the disturbance keep inside the earth. Crust earthquakes occur all the time all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes are much less frequent. They can cause emissions, damage to building, bridge, dams, and people. They can be great loss of life and property. Earthquake can cause flood, landslide, and tsunami. A major tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean on 26 December 2004. All the coastal area around the ocean suffered huge losses. In ancient time, people did not know the true causes of earthquakes. Their ideas were therefore expressed in mythical stories such as the one told by Bujo grandmother. Similar myths were prevalent in other parts of the world. Now we know that the tremors are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth called the crust. ये अर्थ की लेयर से the outermost layer of the earth is not in the piece in fragmented. Fragmented is called a plate. These plates are in continuous motion when they passed on another. A plate goes under another due to collisions. They cause disturbance in the earth crust. It is the disturbance that show up as an earthquake of on the surface of the earth. Although we know for sure what causes the earthquake, it is not yet possible to predict when and where the next earthquake might occur. Tremor on the earth can also be caused when a volcano erupts off a meteor hits the earth or an underground nuclear explosion is carried out. However, most earthquakes are caused by the movement of earth plates. Since earthquakes are caused by the movement of plate or boundaries of the plate are the weak zone where earthquakes are more likely to occur. The weak zone are also known as seismic or fault zone. In India, the area most threatened are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalaya, the whole of northeast Ran of Kutch, Rajasthan and Indo-Gangetic Plain. Some area of South India also fall in the danger zone. The power of earthquake expressed in terms in a magnitude of a scale called the Richter scale. Really destructive earthquakes have magnitude higher than 7 on the Richter scale. Both Bhuj and Kashmir earthquake had magnitudes greater than. Protection against earthquake. We know from the earlier page that earthquake cannot be predicted. We have also seen that they can be highly destructive. It is therefore important that we take necessary precautions to protect ourselves all the time. People living in seismic zone where the earthquake are more likely to occur have to be especially prepared. First of all, the building in the zone should be so designed that they can withstand major tremors. Modern building technology can make it possible. It is advisable to make structure simple to that is quake safe. Consult qualified architect and structure engineer. At highly seismic area, the use of mud or timber is better than using heavy construction metal. Keep roof as light as possible. In cases structure falls, the damage will not be heavy. It is better if the cupboard and shelves are fixed on the walls so that they do not fall easily. Be carefully where you hang wall clocks, photo frames, water heaters so that in the event of an earthquake they do not fall on people. Since some building may catch fire due to an earthquake, it is necessary that our building, especially tall building, have fire fighting equipment is working. Other the Center Building Research Institute Roorkee has developed know how to make quake resistance house. In the event that an earthquake does strike, Take the following step to protect yourself. If you at a, if you are at home, take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stop. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head with a pillow. If you are outdoors, find a clear spot away from building, trees, or over heat power lines drop to the ground. If you are in a car or a bus, do not come out. बाहर नहीं निकलना है आपको. कार या बस में जब आप जा रहे हो तो ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Do not come out till the tremors stop. Chapter is finished. Thank you all of you.